This video is for beginner affiliate marketers. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why people quit and they don't make money in affiliate marketing. So if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, brand new to the online marketing space, maybe even network marketing, this video is just going to be the truth. And I want to share it with you. I feel like it's a message that most don't talk about, but I am going to talk about it. So make sure that you stay until the very end. What's going on, guys? My name is Krishana Sykes. This is my channel. Welcome. I like to make videos on how to make money online. So if that's your thing, definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button so you'll get all future videos and you won't miss anything. Now this video, guys, honestly, it's a little bit different than what most of my videos are. In fact, I honestly don't intend to get a lot of views on this video or likes. I may even get some unsubscribes, and that's okay, because if you're sitting here watching this video right now, it's because you were meant to watch this video. Maybe you are new in the online marketing space. You're just getting into affiliate marketing. Maybe you've been in affiliate marketing or online marketing for a little bit and you're thinking that you want to quit. I want you to watch this video. So let's get into it. And this is going to be in no particular order, just how it came up, on the top of my head. But number one reason why affiliate marketers quit, they don't make any money, is because they set unrealistic expectations. And I know that there's a lot of scams out there, different programs to say, hey, you're going to make thousands of dollars within 30 days, or, you're going to make $1 million, you're going to be able to quit your job, etc., etc. And the truth is, there is no answer to that. They can't tell you that you're going to make money in 30 days or a certain amount of time, because there's work ethic that goes into affiliate marketing and building a business online. There's a learning curve as well, and you also need time, and each person is different. Some people have different abilities or gifts in certain areas where other people don't. Some people learn a lot quicker than others. Some people take more action than others. Some people already have an audience or people that look up to them in some form or fashion. Some people don't have any at all. So there are a lot of different variables that goes into someone making money online. And you don't want to set the expectation that you're going to make a certain amount of money in 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. And if that doesn't happen, then you quit. Because reality is, it may or may not. What you want to concentrate on is putting in the work, doing what you need to do, taking action on a consistent basis, and growing every single day, getting better every single day. And with that activity, over time, you will start to see results. But it hurts me when people say, well, I didn't make thousands of dollars within 15 days. You didn't give it a chance. You didn't give it a chance. Don't set unrealistic expectations, and don't compare yourself to other people. Because Joe did it doesn't necessarily mean that you are. You and Joe are two different people. And there's probably some things that Joe did that he may not make you aware of. Just go in, set your goals as far as what you want to do, but understand that it may not happen in the time frame that you want it to happen. And if it doesn't mean that you should quit or it doesn't work. It just means that you have some growing to do. And that takes time. Rome wasn't built in a day. Your online business isn't, and you may not make money in a day. But if you stay the course, if you're consistent, then it will come. Reason number 2 is people try to build this business and learn how to do this on their own, and they don't have any guidance. And the truth is that is a very dangerous thing. There's a lot of stuff in affiliate marketing that you need to know, learn how to do. And if you're doing this on your own, you've never done it before, there's no way that you can possibly absorb it all. There are things that you don't even know that you don't know. And it's really important for you to have some guidance. have a trainer or a coach, someone to lead you down the right path, and kind of do things in bite-sized pieces so you don't get overwhelmed. Because if you're doing it on your own, or you're trying to do a whole bunch of different stuff, which I'm sure you probably are, it's hella confusing. And yeah, you do want to quit, and I so get it. But if you have a coach or a mentor, or maybe even the program that you're in, they have steps for you to take, then it kind of paces you. And when I first started online, I did get a coach, and I hired a coach. And yeah, it cost me some money too, but I started making money online a lot sooner than I probably would have if I was doing it on my own, because I just, I didn't know what to do. And so if you don't know what to do, my advice to you is to find someone that is in your niche, in your program. Someone that you follow, that you look up to, that has the results that you want. Okay, hit them up in Messenger, call them on the phone, hit them up on YouTube and say, hey, I want to learn from you. I need some guidance. I want to learn how to be successful. And if they charge you for it, pay them. Reason number 3 is lack of vision. And this can happen anytime throughout your online marketing or affiliate marketing career. But when you're just starting, it's important for you to have a vision. What is your goal for your online business? Really, what is it? Is it just to make $2,000 a month? Or is it for you to replace your full-time job? What does that look like? And then, really understand what you want to sell. And this, I see a lot of people that just say, I just want to make money online. So you try to sell anything, but if you don't have passion for what you're selling, if you don't believe in what you're selling, you're not going to make any money. And guess what? You're going to want to quit. So when it comes to that vision, it's like, what lights you up? What could you get up in the morning and do and not be paid for it? Whatever those answers are within you, then that's what you want to sell, something within that realm. Because if it's just making money and that's your primary drive, whenever there is a sign of challenge, you're going to quit because there is no vision. Right? But when you know what your passion is and your business has to do with that passion, you're going to give it all that you have. And even if things don't go your way, you're going to keep on moving because that's your passion. And then you also got to know, who are you looking to help? Who is it? What does that person look like? For me, it's newbie online marketers. I want to help newbie online marketers. That's why I'm doing this video. Why? Because I once was a newbie online marketer, so I understand what you're going through. I understand what you're going through with affiliate marketing. You're just getting in it. It's day one. You're like, oh my God, what in the hell am I supposed to do? I get that. So I create this content. I, suggest different products or services that can help you because I once was there. And if I can help your road be a little bit easier, then hey, that is what I'm here for. So you want to think like that. And when you have a clear vision, it makes it much easier to do all the other things that you need to do to build your business. Reason number 4 why people quit affiliate marketing and they don't make any money is because they don't want to put in the work. Ooh, this is what I'm saying. I'm not trying to get subscribers. I'm just being honest. I'm just being honest here, right? There's a lot of lazy people in the world. A lot of lazy people who want something for nothing. You want to make $1 million, but you don't want to put in the work and do the things that $1 million earners do. It's not going to happen. You want to get sales, but you aren't creating any type of content. You aren't building an email list. You aren't building an audience. You aren't learning anything to be more valuable. Then what do you expect? You're going to have to put in the work. And the bigger your dream is, the harder you're going to have to work for it. That's why most people don't do this. right? Because it's not easy, and people seem to think it's easy. I know perception sometimes makes it seem that way because you just see people with flashy cars and money and jewelry and all that stuff. It's not about that. There's a lot that goes on behind the scenes, a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of trial and error, a lot of tears, to be quite honest, you know, and you just a lot of times you just beat up. You're just beat up because you're working to try to build this business online. So it isn't always the glitz or the glamour, but those who are behind the scenes doing the work, then that's where, you know, the millions of dollars comes into play, the cars and the lifestyle and all of that stuff. But you can't get to the prize without actually walking that walk or going down that path. It's just simply not going to happen. So, you know, you want to be successful, then you got to put in that work. You got to stay the course. You got to go through that process. And that's something that every single person has to go through. And reason number 5 is lack of belief in oneself. This is a really big one, and it's one that's really close to my heart because it's a challenge for me. And if you've listened to any of the most successful online marketers or affiliate marketers, you know, they all talk about how, you know, there's lack of belief in them as well. But it's really about getting over that. And that's where personal development comes into play. You know, because you are going to lack belief quite a bit, right? Because again, this is not something that's easy. So it's very normal to not believe in yourself. But as you continue to do things more and more, and you know, if you get a coach that helps you along the way, and you dive into personal development because you have a dream, a goal in your heart, and you have a very strong why, which is the reason why you're doing this, then that helps with the belief part of it. And when you have people around you that support you, that helps with the belief in yourself. And when you go out and you take action and you get a result, that builds belief in oneself. And I wish I could tell you that you know, at some point in time you just 100% believe in yourself, but I quite honestly don't think that that's true, because I have people that I'm really close with that are rocking it out in affiliate marketing and online marketing, and it's something that they have to consistently work on every single day. So if they have to, then, you know, us just starting out have to work double or triple times harder to build that belief in oneself. But that is the reason why it's so important for you to read books and develop yourself. Listen to different audios. Think and Grow Rich is one audio or book that you have to really dive into. I had to grab my cell phone to give you a list of different books that you can read. You didn't think I was going to know all of these off the top of my head. Absolutely not. No Excuses by Brian Tracy. As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. This is a great book. Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. The Millions Within by David Nagel, and he is an awesome person to follow as well. The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. Secrets of a Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. You are going to have to dive into personal development, something tough, because you have to be strong and you have to build your belief in yourself that you can do this, whatever your goals are. Because if you have doubt, then your business is going to have doubt. And then people quit over that. They don't make money over that. But trust and know that God has given you, I believe in God, so God has given you every single gift that you need right now to do what you want to do in life. It's just a matter of you going out and doing it and not letting anything stop you, especially these 5 reasons. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Like I said, you know, you can go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification button if you want more videos. But this video wasn't about subscribers. And quite honestly, this video wasn't about a whole bunch of views either, because I don't expect it. But if you are here, it's because you needed to hear this message. So if you like the video, definitely hit the like button. You can share it out as well. Leave me a comment in the comments below. And I wish you well. If you guys need any help with anything at all when it comes to building your business online, check out the description box and my contact information is there. I am always willing to help. Rock it out. And I believe in you.